content creation is hard. From thinking about the content you want to make, from thinking about the light setting, from thinking about your thumbnail, your title, your description, your hashtag, your tags. It is really difficult. But there are some tools that have been invented, some tools have been created to help us navigate the difficulties of being a YouTuber and being a content creator. Today, I am here to teach you one important step. Believe you me, like you can see, this background, it is fake. I mean, it is fake. Please don't tell anyone. But you can see how it is, because I know a subscriber personally who told me that she doesn't have the background or she doesn't have the aesthetics to shoot her video. But I am here to tell you it is fake, and I'm here to teach you how to achieve this. You see how beautiful is this? You see how aesthetics it looks? This is what your influencers and big YouTubers use. So don't feel intimidated, because NG Jenny TV is here to teach you how to achieve this. So keep watching while I show you all about it. So first off, the tools I use to achieve this are two. First of all, you have to go to your browser and type leonardo.ai, and after that we are going to use CapCut. Also, we are going to use Canva. So I want you to have these three applications in mind, because they are very important in achieving this background. So guys, without further delay, let's start and let's achieve this background for you. So guys, the first thing I want you to do is to go to your browser. I use Chrome, so you could use Safari or anyone. So I want you to click on your browser, and I want you to click on the plus sign below to create another tab. And on your browser, I want you to type leonardo.ai. So this is the place we are going to be generating the fake background. Yes, guys. So when you search for leonardo.ai, this is the interface it's going to show you. And on this interface, I want you to click on Get Started. And when you click on Get Started, it's going to ask you for your email address and a password. I currently have an account with them, so it didn't ask me for that. But if it's your first time, it's going to ask you for username and for email address and password, and as well username. You can see my username is Jenny. So when you've done that, it's going to bring you to an interface that looks just like this. Yes, this is the interface. And on this interface, it is pretty easy, because I am here to tell you what you're going to click next. And you're going to click on image generation. When you click on image generation, you are going to get a text box. You can see it. It says type a prompt. At this text box, this is where you're going to click whatever you want. And for me, I typed design a beautiful aesthetic wall for a YouTube video with good light setup, with a wall, shelf, plants, and MacBook gadgets. Can you see, guys? You can type whatever you want. If you want it to be in your living room, if you want an office setup, if you want a closet setup, whatever you want, type it. Yes, type it, and it understands so perfectly well. So with this prompt, I am going to type search, and it's gonna provide me. You can see it is loading pretty fast. Like, I love leonardo.ai because it generates your images very fast. Then we wait. We wait, guys, and look at what it generated. Can you imagine? Like, this step is so easy. You don't need to go create the picture yourself. AI is there to do it for you. So when you get the pictures you want, you can see all the beautiful pictures. You can go ahead and click on it and save the ones you want. So for me, I love this and I save it. Just scroll and get the ones you like. I personally, I love to get about 2 to 3 or sometimes 4 pictures and just like play around with it to know which one suits better for my video. So that is what I want you to do, guys. Go select the one you want and then you save it. For me, it goes to save on my files, but I save it to my photos. Another interesting thing about Leonardo.ai is that at the beginning, it gives you 160 coins. With 160 coins, it generates pictures for you 4 times. So when you generate one picture, it collects 40 coins. You can see at the mid right of the screen, mine says create and I have 40 coins because I have generated 3 times. But when you've exhausted all your coins, you have to pay to renew. But let me let you in on a secret. You can use another email address and you don't need to pay anything. Don't tell them I told you this, but you can always use as many emails as possible to get free images. So I hope you understood this. Now, after you've done this, I want you to go to your browser again and I want you to type Canva.com. So this is where we are going to be setting the AI picture into a YouTube thumbnail format. So when you type Canva.com, this is the interface. I don't use Canva Pro. I use the free version. So if you want me to do a video on how I design my thumbnail using the free version, let me know. So on this, you type on YouTube thumbnail and it brings you to this blank interface. On this blank interface, I want you to look down. You're going to see uploads. When you click on uploads, I want you to go get the picture you downloaded. Look at the bottom, you're going to see upload. I want you to click on upload and I want you to go get the picture you downloaded from Leonardo.ai. This is the picture. Now, we want to set it to the YouTube standard. I want you to drag. Yes. Keep dragging till it fits the screen. At times, this gets so difficult, but I'm sure you're going to learn it. So just drag to like fit the screen. And when that is done, I want you, okay, I am still fixing the screen. So when that is done, I want you to click on the upper right corner. Yeah, so I want you to click on the upper right corner to download it. So you can see download. You click on download. You click on another download. Now it is preparing your design. This is the free version. I don't pay for Canva Pro. Then I want you to save the image. So the next step is for you to go to your CapCut app. This is what it looks like. So in case you have to download it, after clicking on that, I want you to go click on new projects because we are ready to create some magic. And I don't use CapCut Pro. I use the free version. So I'm going to be showing you how I use all the features for free. So when you click on new project, I want you to go impute that picture that you downloaded from Canva. You understand, right? Yeah, that picture, that AI picture you got from Leonardo.ai and then you set to YouTube standard on Canva. I want you to import it. Now, this is it looking all beautiful the way I want. Now, I want you to drag this picture as long as possible. I want you to drag it to the point where your video reach. So my video I know is 2 minutes 7 seconds. So I dragged it to 2 minutes 7 seconds, or you could wait till later to drag, but I dragged it. Now the next part is to add overlay. So you click on the overlay button, add overlay, and I want you to go select your video, the video you recorded. Yes, so this is the video, and I want you to put it anywhere you want. If you want it at the middle, by the side. I love keeping it at the middle because it gives it some kind of structure. So I'm going back to adjust the AI picture and my video to be the same size. Don't forget, the AI picture should be your main background and your video should be an overlay. It should be an overlay, guys. So at this point, I have added my video and I played it to make sure the sound is working. The next step is for us to remove the background of my video. So I want you to click on the video, like the video of you talking. When you click on it, I want you to scroll and I want you to click on remove BG. Remove BG means remove background. Yes, that is the meaning, guys. So when you click on remove BG, I want you to click on auto removal. When you click on auto removal, and it's going to remove the background of your video. Just watch. Yes, guys, this is it. Your background is out. So what I do is that I still adjust it to make sure I am right at the middle. Yes, so you can just move around the way you want. I still have to set it up for it to give some kind of structure. Yes, then I play it to the end to make sure it doesn't shift, because that happens a lot of time. So after that, guys,
content creation is
I
hard.
play the video again to make sure removing the background did not affect my audio. Then the next step for us to do is for us to make the background blurry. Like the background is taking away the center of attraction from me. So I want to make it a bit blurry. So the next thing I do is to click on the background, because that is what I want to make blurry. And just down below, I click on effects, and then you see where it says trending. I'll scroll and click on lens. Now, I want to look for the one that says blur, because that is the action I want to do. So I scrolled and I couldn't find it, but it's not a problem, guys. I got you. So what you have to do is go to the search bar. So I'm scrolling up to see, okay, I couldn't find it. So I go to the search bar and I type blur. Yes. And I scrolled up and ta-da. Yes. There is it.
Content creation.
So I clicked on it and you can see the background is blur. What I did, I started adjusting it because it became so blurry, but I adjusted it. You can see so blurry, but I adjusted it to make it a bit visible, but not too visible. So this is why I said CapCut is a very good app for editing, because it gives you several effects. So the next thing I do is to drag the blur addition to the end so it affects everything. Yes. And again, I go to check and play my video to make sure
from thinking
the
about
sound
the content
is working
you want to make,
and everything is fine.
About
and yes,
setting,
it was working, guys, and you can see my background. This is the best AI background, guys. You need this. Now I looked at my video and I saw that I needed some kind of shine to give it some depth. So the next thing I do is to click on my video. Yes. And when I clicked on my video, I went to adjust and I clicked on brightness. I kind of increased the brightness, but I didn't like the way it was looking. I took it back to 0 and I went to contrast. I love using contrast. So guys, at this point, you can play around with your video to add some depth, to add some sharpness. It depends on whatever you want, but I love using contrast because you can see how my face aligns. So guys, I went from this to this. So if you don't have a good background, this works.
So guys, I hope you all learned how to use fake background video using AI to enhance your video and make your video clickable and watchable. Thank you for watching, guys. This means so much to me that you all are here till this point. Please click on the subscribe button, like the video, leave your comments. If you want me to make more videos on how to make fake background for you to learn more, let me know down below in the comment section. And like I said, I will be doing another video on how to use ChatGPT to do it instead of Leonardo.ai, because I know a lot of people prefer to use ChatGPT than using another AI platform. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see all your videos using beautiful backgrounds. Thank you for watching.